How to change the account on Pokemon TCG Pockets. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Pokemon TCG Pocket app on a device. Now tap to start. Tap three-line icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose Other option. Select Account and at the bottom to change accounts tap Delete Save Data. This will remove your current account and data, allowing you to set up a new one. So tap Delete button and again tap Delete button. Tap on OK. Now after that you need to exit from this Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Press and hold the application icon and then tap on Uninstall button. Tap on Install and you need to head towards Play Store. Now search for Pokemon TCG Pocket application, tap Install and re-download the app from the Play Store or App Store. When you open it, it will prompt it to either create an account or log into your previous account. So, these are two simple ways to change your account in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.